Hey guys, this is Dr. Gutierrez with Gutierrez Chiropractic, and today I'm going to show you an adjustment that we do and basically have an idea of what chiropractic is and how it's going to be on your first visit, so you can get a better, better idea. So with that, let's go ahead and start. We're going to just check your spine to see if you have any misalignments, if the vertebrae aren't moving, if they're tight, or if you have any discomfort or pain. And we're checking to make sure that everything is moving and flowing like it should. If we find an area that doesn't, we put a very light adjustment on the area with our hands. It doesn't hurt, it's very gentle. Then we move to the neck and the lower part of the neck, and we check again. We're checking for any misalignments, and then we do a real quick adjustment. Then next, we want to check the low back, and we'll go back to the neck. So come on, just for the low back, go ahead and lay on your side facing me. And here we'll have you lay on your side like this. You'll bend your leg, and then we're just gonna slightly twist you a little bit towards me and do a little light adjustment there. So it's very light and very quick. Okay, maybe turn this way. So we'll have you turn both ways. And what we're looking for again is any restriction, anything that's holding back the vertebrae from moving in the proper position, or moving, for some people, they're not moving at all. So we're checking and a very light adjustment there. And then we have them lay on their back again. The patient will lay on his or her back. For the last adjustment, almost the last adjustment, we're checking the neck. We relax the patient, we're checking, and we adjust the neck very lightly. And the reason we're doing it quickly is because this patient has been here quite a bit. So, but most people, if it's their first visit, we take a lot, maybe a few more minutes more, just checking the spine and making sure before we adjust. Okay. On the last adjustment, we're going to adjust the upper back. Cross our arms and we come underneath. And just put a light pressure there. If you have any more questions, let us know. And hopefully you see a little more insight on how we do things there.